Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Storydoc. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So just before we get started on Storydoc, firstly what we want to cover is what exactly does it do and what is it for. So Storydoc is a software tool for turning static slides into interactive web presentations. It could be used for sales decks, landing pages, report, pitch decks, proposals, and more. So what exactly would you use it for? So it's a primary tool for business content, and it's perfect for sales teams, marketing teams, and even account managers. And then with that said, it can pretty much be used for all business roles and industries whenever you need a great presentation. Now, another story that it would be, is Storydoc free? Yes, it is. It does offer a 30-day free trial, so you can go ahead and explore the platform risk-free, see what works for you, have a look at it. Worst case scenario, you might not like it, so that's why you have the 30-day free trial period. So anyway, what we'll do is we'll take a look at the site itself before we get into the trial or the Storydoc itself. So here are the product. You've got Storydoc examples, case studies, integrations, how-to videos, business solutions, and let's make your deck. Now, that's why it's perfect as well for beginners. Someone who wants to create an interactive presentation, it's good for educational purposes as well, I would say. So we'll take a look at the Storydoc examples. So here's one with the Meta Interactive Corporate Report. You might know them as Facebook before. So this is what they have as an immersive based interaction. You've got Yotpo SaaS product one pager, so that's how that looks. You can see how more or less how it looks like a website. RTL designed media sales deck. There's one there, so that's more or less how that looks. So pretty cool. And then SNC Dessert Tech, that's how they've created a long form report. So there's a couple of things that you can see there. And what's great about this is you can see it live. So we'll take a look at one. So this is what they have for this. So that's their little site map there, or solution map, sorry. And we'll take a look a little bit more. So they've got the Y-Stamp personalized proposal deck. And we'll take a look more into it. So we could use cases. So as I said, it is mainly used for the likes of business. Again, sales decks, landing pages, reports, pitch decks, proposals, and more. So we'll take a look. They've got their sales here. So you can book a demo with them. And then we'll go back, take a look here. Then there's marketing. They've got some marketing going on there as well. And then we'll take a look at more into the templates. We'll see what they would have to offer in terms of what you can create as an interactive template. So they've got a couple there. They've got sales deck templates, pitch deck templates, one pager templates, proposal templates. Then one's for presentation, so you could do it for marketing. And it's not just for marketing, as I said, you can have it used for other areas as well. But primarily they do try to focus on sales and marketing, pitch decks, proposals, reports, brochures, startups, one pager. So there's a couple of different areas there. There's like startup pitch deck, annual report, sales pitch deck, candidate desk, job contract proposal, startup desk. So even have one for a job offer proposal, which is great, or employment proposal letter. So a couple of things that you could use this as a company yourself. If you're looking to maybe hire people, this would be a great way to do it. Now it is built in with AI, so it's all AI based. You can try to pretty much transform your slides however way you want. So a couple of other areas there, and then of course they've got company, so just more or less just a little bit more information of what Storydoc is all about, what their vision is. But anyway, now that we've had a good look, we'll actually take a look at the pricing plans first before we jump into Storydoc itself. So starter there is around $30 per month, but you can create it for free. You've got unlimited interactive slides and versions, free library or professionally designed animated templates, presentation analytics, unlimited traffic to your links, up to 3 live presentation templates per user, free gallery of premium stock images, videos, and icons, 2 GB of free online hosting for your links. So you can see that it is packed with everything that you would need in terms of features. And then for the starter plan there, for the Pro, everything from starter plan, you do get unlimited templates as well, which is great. So you're not stuck on resources. You've got that personalization with dynamic variables, custom branding, and so on. And then more towards the team plan, so that's like enterprise level. So that's when you would actually have to talk and discuss that with the actual team of Storydoc. But as I said, anyway, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and try it out for free and see how it goes. So this is more or less what it looks like. So what do you want to create? Now we can create a sales deck, general presentation, one-pager report, product pitch deck, invest. But what we'll do is we'll actually see if we can. So let's try to do. We'll do a general presentation. So we'll bump it up and do a general presentation. We'll say our company name is ProfileTree, and then your company website, ProfileTree. Well, we'll just say I don't have a company for now. And what's your industry? So we'll just say digital marketing. There you go, digital marketing and advertising. So what's your product for, product or service, and who is it for? So we'll just say design agency. Okay, and click next. So this is the design time. Now we can take a look at the different templates that's available. So here are the handpick selection. So handpick selection and choose the design that speaks to you in editor. So we'll take a look at a couple here. Want to try to go for something a little bit more green. So we'll go for the logo Epson, or this little one here, and see how this one works out. So this is the trial run. So we can preview the story, see how it looks. You can see how interactive it looks already. It looks great. So this is how it plays out. You've got a couple of videos going from there. Now, it is a step up, a complete step up if you were even using the Microsoft presentation software. This is a complete step up from it. You can see the general presentation that we have here. Already off the bat, we've got very linked in to the topic that we wanted, which is digital marketing, and we're the agency. So we could see transform your business with ProfileTree. Unlock the potential of your brand with our innovative design solutions and digital marketing strategies. And then, so it looks like you can have a link to visit the website or to book a call. Now, that's more or less what it looks like. So it's just like a presentation website almost. So we'll go back to editor. We'll take a look at what we can do. It comes in sections. So if you guys have ever used any web development tool like Wix, it's more or less easy to follow. This is actually even easier. You can see that you can change the background colors, you can do overlays, you can change some of the stuff that they had. So you can create with AI as well. So if you're not happy with some of the stuffs here, let's add like a short text. See if we can add it in. Okay, so here we are. That's created a text for us. You can see how that's changed as well. So our agency offers a full range of design services, streamlining operations. So you can see how fast you can actually create a presentation using the Storydoc. And if we go down, see some of the other parts here. Again, these are just all the other slides. You can add more slides in if you want to. You can anchor areas as well. So it just works almost the same as nearly a website. They also have area for clients. So our slides limit looks like we have 10 out of 20. So it is currently using 10 slides at the minute. So we can add more slides. We can take a look at some of the ones that they have to offer. So they do have videos, they've got charts, embedded areas, story cover, roadmap, timeline, agenda, competitors, and pricing. So we can add a couple of other parts to that. But you could just see that these are all like page templates. So again, that's what they've named themselves, Storydoc, and it's just an interactive web version of slides that's hosted with them. And with the looks of it, we do have 20, yes, so 20 slides is our max at the minute, since we do have the trial run. Take a look. So they've got comparison tables, they've got animated arrays. So depending how your site is, if you're like an e-commerce site for it, this is how you can present it. So again, this is for businesses and marketing. So it's actually great for us. So we've got areas here like let's talk. And when you are happy, you could just go ahead and click on preview. Now, there's not much, let's see. So we'll try to add a couple of stuffs to the layout so you can see how you can arrange it as well. And then when you are happy, go ahead and click on preview. Then you should be able to pretty much just take a look at how the site looks. You can see how interactive it is as well. So there's a lot you can create, a lot of potential as well for your presentations or your brochures or any like hiring stuff that you got. But you can see here, so if we go back to, you could see here, hold on 1 second. You do have other areas as well, so you can go back to stories or the actual different templates and choose the one that's right for you. But as I said, we did go for the general presentation. But on top of that as well, if you're not only presenting it on desktop, you do have the option as well to have a look at it and showcase it on mobile. So that's great. You get to see a mobile version. At the end of the day, just think of it as an actual website. So that's what it really is, but it's just presented in slides. But yes, that's just an overview on what Storydoc can do. It's got a full potential for a load of things, as we've seen earlier on. So just so you guys can see again, that we've got company presentation, sales one-pagers, general business proposal, startup pitch deck. So quite a lot of things that you can actually do on the Storydoc itself. But there you guys have it. That is a little overview on Storydoc. A great piece of software to use to create those stunning interactive presentations for your business. I would highly recommend to check it out. Try out the 30-day free trial period and see how you go. I can guarantee that you will like it. But anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.